assigned to Air Combat Command and other Air Force units in Europe, the Pacific, our Air Guard and Reserve Forces, as well as the Air Forces of many allied nations. The pilot for today's demonstration is Major George Clifford, call sign Dog, from Hollandale, Mississippi. Major Clifford is a veteran fighter pilot with more than 1,300 hours in jet aircraft and combat experience supporting Operation Enduring Freedom in Afghanistan. Our safety observer for today's demo is Captain Ryan Corrigan, a veteran F-16 fighter pilot from Prattville, Alabama. Launching Major Clifford today was Staff Sergeant Joshua Masomer from Johnstown, Ohio, and Staff Sergeant Tony Medugno from Stowe, Ohio. Our camera operator for today's demo is Technical Sergeant Jeffrey Williams from Newport News, Virginia. The F-16 is a multi-role fighter, which means it's equally adept to shooting down enemy aircraft and attacking ground targets. Today's aircraft is configured for air-to-air combat and weighs in at 25,000 pounds. That's approximately 12,000 pounds less than its ground attack weight, which includes bombs, missiles, and extra fuel. Anyway, as configured, the F-16 is the world's most maneuverable, versatile, and lethal single-engine fighter aircraft. Helping give it that winning edge is a fly-by-wire flight control system, similar to the ones used in the space shuttle. A side-stick controller first used in the F-16. A 30-degree recline seat so the pilot can better withstand the massive G-forces sustained in air combat. The F-16's powerful General Electric 129 motor produces 30,000 pounds of thrust. That translates into more horsepower than the entire starting lineup at the Daytona 500. Major Clifford is now setting up from your left to perform his first maneuver, a Cuban 8. In this maneuver, he will inscribe a figure 8 above the airfield. Clifford is now repositioning his aircraft to the right as he prepares to demonstrate the low-altitude, high-speed capability of the F-16. As he passes show center, he will be traveling at over 650 miles an hour. That's less than half the Viper's top speed. To show center, it will accelerate rapidly and snap the Viper through 3 aileron rolls, demonstrating its exceptional rolling maneuverability. Ladies and gentlemen, from your left, Major Clifford and the triple aileron roll. The ability to turn tight is crucial. From the right, watch now as Major Clifford shows you just how exceptional the F-16 is in a 9G turn. At show center, he will make sharply into a tight turn, capable of pressing the pilot into the seat with a force of up to 9 times his normal weight.